selectable controls, backhoe and excavator. You got ride control, washer, wiper, lights, hazard lights, caution lights. It does have a backup alarm, park brake, start, stop, defrost, heat, air seat, horn, heat control, throttle control, fan control, navigational buttons for your display. You go through all your settings. AM/FM CD player. Washer reservoir. Turn signals. Left-hand reverser with the power shift out on the joystick. Multi-function joystick. It allows you to run your 4-in-1 bucket, momentary 4-wheel drive, a D-clutch to coast into a pile of dirt, and then 4-wheel drive on/off. You'll also do your operation of your bucket loader with it. So back to the back, you've got your on/off lock for your rear controls. You've got your foot pedal for the Extend-a-hoe, center levers for your lock on your boom, and joysticks on each side. The windows all open up. It's got right and left hand door, chrome exhaust, front sunshade. Like I said, this unit does have ride control. The previous customer changed up the tires on it just because it was an ag customer, and he liked the way these tires were. If he drove it out across his field, he didn't kill his soybeans, he told me. It's got differential lock. Still has all the paint on the pedals. The fuel pedal the rubber isn't wore at all. Tilt steering wheel. Yeah, shock is good. Got some marks on the steering wheel. I don't know if you can see that in the pictures or in the video. Maybe the only thing you can take away from it, just a solid backhoe.